So then comes this question saying different objects are made from different types of materials. The properties of these materials determine the nature of the object. Then the question comes and say, define each of the properties of materials and give examples of each. The first one is strength of material. Yes, how do we define it? How do we define a strong material? Okay, strength of material implies that the material requires a large amount of force to break or to deform permanently. So that is that. And the examples are rocks, concrete, bricks. Yes, those materials which require too much force to break them or to deform them. Yeah, then comes this property, brittleness. What does it mean? Simply brittleness means that these materials break easily with little bending or stretching. The examples are glass and porcelain material and some plastics. Yeah, that is that. Yeah, then comes to this property, malleability. What does it imply? This implies ability to be pressed or shaped into different shapes without cracking or breaking. The example we have is a soft clay and a number of metals. When they are hammered, they can be shaped into different shapes. Yeah, then comes this one, ductility. What is it? Okay, ductility is the ability of a materials to be drawn out into wires easily. The best example here are metals like copper, aluminium, and others. Yeah, and that is that. So then comes this one. It says, define each of the following. And the first one is density. Yes. How do we define density of a material, of a substance? Density of a substance is the mass per unit volume of the substance. It simply means the amount of matter packed in a given space. Yeah. Then comes this one. It says that define melting point. And how do you define melting point? Melting point actually is the point when a solid, when it's subjected to heat, changes into a liquid. That state when the liquid and the solid are coexisting defines melting point. So we can simply say is the temperature at which the liquid and the solid phase of a substance are in equilibrium. Yeah. Then comes boiling point. So what's the boiling point? Actually, boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid changes into a vapor. But that temperature is determined by the atmospheric pressure. So the best definition will be the temperature of a liquid at which its vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that substances can be categorized into two: pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are of two kinds. Name them. So what are pure substances? The first category is called elements. Elements are pure. And the second category are compounds. So these are the two categories of pure substances. So then comes this question. It says mixtures can be categorized into two. Name them. So what are the two categories of mixtures? The first one, we call them heterogeneous mixtures. And the other category is homogeneous mixtures. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to share, to like. And we want also to remind you that Physical Sciences Silver Bullet is a science YouTube channel specializing in physical sciences grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We advise you to make use of our playlist so that you can access your material easily. For grade 10, just go to playlist, place grade 10, and all the materials will be revealed to you. We mean all. We are simply the best. Stick with us. You'll not regret. See you then. Bye-bye.